Hello everyone, I am Deepashri. Today we are going to learn about the related theories, different terms used in illumination, properties and advantages of a good illumination, types of lamp with example, construction and working of tungsten filament lamps, direct and indirect lighting. In today's session, we will learn the purpose of different voltage lamps, calculate and compare the hot resistance of the same voltage but of a different wattage or current lamps, the method of measuring and calculating the hot resistance, the effect of different wattage lamps in series, the purpose of low voltage lamps. In quite a few places like automobile vehicles, we use 6 volt, 12 volt or 24 volt low voltage supply. Automobile vehicles are generally equipped with many lights to provide an efficient lighting system for both day and night driving conditions. These various lights require the use of different wattage and types of light lamps to provide the amount of illuminated desired. Glow conditions of low voltage lamps with current flow through it. An electric lamp changes the electrical energy into heat and light when current flows through its filament and causes it to become incandescent. The low voltage lamps are generally of low wattage because at a low voltage, the current taken by the filament for a given wattage is much more as compared to the domestic light. Different wattage lamps in series. If two lamps of different wattage in parallel across the AC circuit, it should be same voltage for proper operation. But if they are connected in series, they should have the same current ratings. Usually, all the bulbs in the houses are connected in parallel, which will draw the current it requires, and all the lamps glow bright. If two lamps with unequal wattages and same voltage ratings are connected in series, they will divide up the available voltage between them, which shows low wattage lamp will glow bright due to high resistance and high voltage drop. High wattage lamp will glow dim due to low resistance and low voltage drop. Let us consider an example circuit which has two lamps rated in 200 watt 250 volt and 100 watt 250 volt are connected in series across the 240 volt AC supply as shown in the diagram. Here 200 watt lamp will glow dim and 100 watt lamp will glow bright because the resistance of 200 watt 250 volt lamp R1 is equal to V square divided by W1, which is equal to 250 into 250 by 200, which gives us 312.5 ohm. Whereas the resistance of 100 watt 250 volt lamp R2 is equal to V square divided by W2, which is equal to 250 into 250 divided by 100, which gives us 625 ohm. The total resistance RT is equal to 312.5 plus 625, which is equal to 937.5 ohm. Current I is equal to V by RT, which gives us 240 divided by 937.5 is equal to 0.256 amps. Voltage drop in 200 watt amp is equal to IR1, which is equal to 0.256 into 312.5, which is equal to 80 volt. Similarly, voltage drop in 100 watt lamp is equal to IR2, which is equal to 0.256 into 625, which gives us 160 volt. Here power is equal to V into I, which is equal to 240 into 0.256, which gives 61.4 watt. Hence, this proves us the 100 wattage lamp having high voltage drop due to high resistance will glow bright than the high wattage lamp 200 watt, which is having lower voltage drop and low resistance. In this session, we learnt about the purpose of different voltage lamps, calculate and compare the hot resistance of same voltage but of different wattages or current lamps, the method of measuring and calculating the hot resistance, the effects of different wattages lamps in series. I hope you all understood the topic very well. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in our next class.